Donna. I live in Pennsylvania, southeast Pennsylvania, and I needed wallpaper hung in an old home that is being refurbished carefully step by step. I had found some beautiful traditional wallpaper online, but needed a wallpaper specialist. My painter gave me Tom Kalinoski's name. So Tom was terrific with getting all the information he needed from me in order to give me a estimate on the job, talk to me about the quality of my wallpaper, the quality of the hanging procedure, etc. He did a terrific job. It is gorgeous. And I have asked Tom to come back and help me with pretty much everything else I need done around the house. So would totally recommend if you need a personal recommendation. Tom can give you my information upon request, and I can answer questions you might have. So let's share our specialists and give them the work they need and the best job that we need done. Thanks.